Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today's value is eat healthy food. You have to stop eating. You have to avoid eating junk food. You have to eat only healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, and fish and chickens. You have to eat only vegetables, fruits, cereals, chicken and fish. Stop eating junk food. Today I am going to teach lesson 3. The name of the lesson is Voice of the Crystal. Repeat after me, children. Voice of the Crystal. So, these are the outwords in this story. First, let us learn the outwords of this story. Voice of the Crystal. First one, shepherd. Shepherd means a person who take care of sheep. So, the person who take care of sheep is called as shepherd. Grass or grass, eating grass in a field. Cattle, sheep or eat grass in a field are called as graze. Shepherd, graze. Flute. It is a musical instrument. It shapes like a pipe. So, flute is a musical instrument. Tune. A series of musical notes. Tunes are nothing but a series of musical notes. So, shepherd means a person who take care of sheep. Graze means eating grass in a field. So, sheep, cattle eat grass in a field. Flute, it is a musical instrument. It shapes like a pipe. Tune, a series of musical notes. Next one, glittering. Glittering means shining brightly. Glittering means shining brightly. Misuse, using something in wrong way. It is called as misuse. Misuse means using something in incorrect way or wrong way. Greedy, wanting something more than you need. So you wanting food or money more than you need is called as greedy. Unusual. Unusual means not normal or abnormal. So, unusual means abnormal. Sneak. Sneak means to make quickly, to move quickly and secretly. So, sneak means to move quickly as well as secretly. Pardon. Pardon means saying sorry. Deed. Action. Here deed means action. Ashamed. Feeling guilty. Ashamed means feeling guilty. These are the odd words. Let us repeat it once again. Shepherd. Shepherd, a person who make care of or who take care of sheep. Grace, eating grass in a field. Flute, a musical instrument. Tune, a series of musical notes. Glittering, shining brightly. Glittering means something that shines brightly. It is called as glittering. Misuse. Misuse means using something in wrong way. It is called as misuse. Greedy. Wanting something more than you need. It means greedy. Unusual. Abnormal. Unusual means abnormal. Sneak. To move quietly and secretly. Quietly means we move very silently and also secretly. Pardon, sorry, or you are saying sorry means pardon. Deed, action, ashamed, feeling guilty. So these are the answers in this lesson. Voice of the crystal. Let us learn the lesson. So let us read the story. There lived a shepherd boy, Nazir, in a village in India. So there lived a shepherd boy. Here shepherd means a person who take care of sheep are called shepherd. Here there lived a shepherd boy. His name is Nazir. So he lived in a village in India. He lived with his father, mother and his grandparents. So Nazir lived with his father, mother and his grandparents. They were a poor family and had only a few sheep in their farm. So there were a small family and a poor family and had a few sheep in their farm. They had a very little money for their living. So their family had a very little money for their living. So there lived a shepherd boy. Shepherd boy means a person who take care of sheep. His name is Nazir. He lived in a village in India. He lived with his father, mother and his grandparents. There were a small and poor family and had a few money only for their living. Every morning, Nazir would take the sheep up the hills and find a grassy place for them to grass. Then he would return home in the afternoon. So every morning, Nazir took his sheep up to the hills and find a grassy place for their graze. Here graze means eating, at the act of eating grass in a field. So here sheep will grass on the field. Then he would return home in the afternoon. So in the afternoon he will return to his home. One such morning Nazir went up the hill and spotted a good place. So one such fine morning Nazir went up the hill and spotted a good place. He let the sheep grass and he sat under a huge tree and started playing his flute. Here flute means a musical instrument. It shapes like a pipe. So let the sheep grass and he sat under the huge tree and started playing his musical instrument. Listening to the flute's tune, Nazir's sheep walked around grazing. Suddenly, Nazir was something shining behind the flower bushes. So, Nazir find that something is shining behind the flower bushes. He wondered what it could be. So, he searched what it could be. He walked towards the bushes and found a crystal ball. Then he finally found a crystal ball behind the flower bushes. The crystal ball was glittering. Here glittering means shining brightly. So the crystal ball was shining brightly like a colorful rainbow. So it's like a colorful rainbow. He took it in his hand. So Nazir took that crystal ball in his hand and kept turning it around and around. So he looked at the crystal ball round and round. What could this be? He thought to himself. All of a sudden he heard a voice from inside the crystal ball, and Nazir heard the voice from the crystal ball. It said, "You can make a wish that you hear desires and I will fulfill it." So the crystal ball said that you can make a wish that your heart desires. So you can make a wish of your desires and I will fulfill your hearty desires. So the crystal ball said that I will fulfill your wishes. Nazir was surprised as well as scared. Nazir was, after hearing the voice of the crystal ball, Nazir was very surprised as well as scared. He gathered his sheep, put the crystal ball quickly into his bag before anyone could see, and rushed home. So he put the crystal ball in his bag and he rushed to his home. He showed the crystal ball to his parents and grandparents. Look at the picture. Nazir showed the crystal ball to his parents and grandparents. He told them what the crystal ball had told him, and then he told what the crystal ball had told to Nazir. His parents thanked God for this gift. So, Nazir's parent, thanked God for this gift of crystal ball. They decided not to misuse the crystal ball. So, here misused means the act of using in a dishonest way or the wrong way. So, they decided not to misuse the crystal ball. They would only wish for food and clothes and would never become greedy. So they would only wish for the food and the clothes and would never become greedy. Here greedy means wanting a lot or more food, money and so on than you need. Every morning they asked for food and at times a few clothes. Their wishes were all fulfilled. So every morning they asked the crystal ball for food and the few clothes. Their wishes all fulfilled by the crystal ball. They became happier day by day. So Nazir's family became happier day by day. This led the villagers to think that there was something unusual happening at Nazir's home. So the villagers think that there is unusually happening at Nazir's home because they are happier day by day. So here unusual means not normal. So they think that there is not normal at Nazir's home. A few villagers decided to hide and watch Nazir's home. So few villagers decided to hide and watch Nazir's house or home. The next morning, when the family was talking to the crystal ball, the villagers were shocked to see it. So the next morning, Nazir's family as usual asked the crystal ball for food and clothes. The villagers were shocked to see it. So this is the magic that is making Nazir's family happy. So finally villagers found that this is the magic that makes Nazir's family happy. We should have it, said the villagers. So they want the crystal ball. They decided to steal it and get what they want. So the villagers decided to steal the crystal ball and they said that they get what they wanted. The next day, when Nazir took the sheep up the hill, a few villagers sneezed. Here sneezed means a move quietly and secretly in order to steal the crystal ball. So they decided to steal the crystal ball. So the next day Nazir took the sheep to the up to the hills and a few villagers quickly moved to the Nazir's home into his house and stole the crystal ball. So they stole the crystal ball from the Nazir's house. They spread the news about the crystal ball among the other villagers. And also they spread the news about the magical crystal ball among the other villagers. Everyone became greedy. Each one snatched the ball among the other and asked for more and more things. Look at the image. So everyone was greedy and each one snatched the ball from the one another and asked more and more things from the crystal ball. They become jealous of one another. So the villagers become jealous of one another and they fought among themselves. So they fought among themselves for the crystal ball. The whole villager was now filled with jealous people. So the whole village was now filled with jealous people. They fought for the crystal ball. Nazir was sad to see the villagers became bad. He decided to throw the crystal ball into the ocean to bring peace and happiness back to his village. So Nazir was sad to see the villager become jealous and bad. So they fought for the crystal ball. So Nazir decided to throw the crystal ball into the ocean to bring the peace and happiness back to his village. One night when all were asleep, he secretly took the crystal ball that we kept in the center of the village. So they kept the crystal ball in the center of the village. So one day or one night were all asleep. The villagers were all asleep. Nazir secretly took the crystal ball that was kept in the center of the village. He walked to the ocean. Nazir walked to the ocean near the village. He lifted the crystal ball high up with his hand. Look at the image. He lifted the crystal ball high up with his hand and said, "Pardon me." Here pardon means saying sorry to crystal ball for my deed. Here deed means action. So he said sorry to the crystal ball for his action of throwing this crystal ball into the ocean. I have to part with you for the sake of the villagers. Saying so, he threw the crystal ball into the ocean. So saying this, Nazir threw the crystal ball into the ocean. The crystal ball toasted up and down among the waves. Nazir was unhappy for losing his good friend. Nazir was unhappy because he lost his good friend. Suddenly Nazir heard the magic voice of the crystal ball speak again. The crystal ball speak again to Nazir. It said, "Nazir, do not worry. I will always be your friend. You and your family were good to me. I shall always fulfill your wishes. Close your eyes and think of me. Whatever you wish for will be granted." So the crystal ball said that, "Nazir, don't worry, I will be always be with you, and you and your family behaved good to me, and I will fulfill your wishes. So you have to close your eyes, think of me, and whatever you want, I will fulfill or grant what you want." Saying these words, the crystal ball disappeared, vanished. The crystal ball suddenly vanished into the ocean. Nazir went back home gladly. Here gladly means happily. Then Nazir went back to his home happily. Back home, he found the villagers were searching for the crystal ball. So Nazir went back to his home and he found that villagers were in search of the crystal ball. He gathered the villagers at the prayer hall. So Nazir gathered the villagers at the prayer hall. He told them that God spoke in his dream saying, "Your village people have turned bad and are filled with greedy and jealousy." So Nazir told that God spoke to me in his dream, and the God said that your village people have turned into bad behavior and they are filled with greedy and jealousy. So I am taking the crystal ball back. So Nazir said that the God spoke to me in his dream, and the God said that your village people have turned bad and are filled with greedy and jealousy. So I am taking the crystal ball back. The villagers felt ashamed Here ashamed means feeling guilty. So the village people felt ashamed when they heard this. They promised one another not to fight among themselves. So finally they promised one another not to fight among themselves. They hugged each other and went back home happily. Since then, there was happiness in the village. They celebrate every occasions together. They sang, danced, and enjoyed together. So after this, the villagers were very happy and they celebrated every occasion together and they sang, they danced, and they enjoyed together. Nazir was glad to see the village people became good and friendly to each other. So Nazir was happy to see the village people became good and friendly to each other. As told by the crystal ball, his family closed their eyes and wished for food whenever they request it, and it was granted. So after seeing this, they told by the crystal ball, as told by the crystal ball, his family, Nazir's family, closed their eyes and wished for food. The crystal ball's magic was kept within Nazir's family. Whenever Nazir missed his good friend, he went to the ocean and talked to him and felt happy. Whenever Nazir missed the crystal ball, he went to the ocean and talked to the crystal ball and felt happy.
Nasir was a shepherd boy. He lived with his parents and grandparents. They were a poor family and had only a few sheep. Every morning, Nasir took the sheep up the hills for grazing. Then he returned home in the afternoon. One morning, Nasir took his sheep up the hill for grazing. He sat under a tree and started playing his flute. Suddenly, he saw something shining behind the flower bushes. He walked towards the bushes and found a crystal ball. He kept turning the crystal ball. The crystal ball said, "You can make a wish that your heart desires, and I will fulfill it." Before anyone could see, he put the crystal ball quickly into his bag, gathered his sheep, and rushed home. He showed the crystal ball to his parents and grandparents. They decided not to misuse the crystal ball. They wished only for food and clothes. They became happy. A few villagers hid and watched Nasir's house. They were shocked when they saw the family talking to the crystal ball. The next day, when Nasir took the sheep up the hill, a few villagers sneaked into his house and stole the crystal ball. Each one snatched the ball from the other and asked for more and more things. They became jealous of one another. Nasir was sad to see the villagers become bad. He threw the crystal ball into the ocean to bring peace and happiness back to his village. Suddenly, he heard the crystal ball tell him that he will always fulfill his wishes. Nasir told the villagers that God told him in his dream that the village people had become bad, and so he was taking the crystal ball. The villagers were ashamed when they heard this. They promised not to fight among themselves. Whenever Nasir missed his good friend, he went to the ocean and talked to the crystal ball and felt happy.
Hope you enjoyed and understood the lesson, children. So this is for your home assignment. You have to write down the keywords, synonyms, antonyms, past tense, and question and answers in your classwork notebook. So you have to write keywords, synonyms, antonyms, past tense, and question and answers in your English classwork notebook neatly. Take your pencil and sharpen your pencil. Write neatly, children, and remember you have to begin with cursive capital letter. Write neatly, children. Hope you enjoyed this class. We will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.